Welcome to Scania Studio. Scania One is the new digital environment for fleet owners and drivers to access connected services. And in the near future, Scania One will be introduced in Germany, the first European country. And over the coming months, the market will be extended to more and more countries in Europe. And with me today is Håkan Schildt. You're working with connected services and solutions. In broad terms, how is digitalization changing the world of transport?
We think it's going to change quite a bit in the future. We talk about three various technology areas that are advancing quite rapidly that will change the way, and they will digitalize the transport industry. First of all, connectivity. We've been working with connectivity for a long time here at Scania. For the past 15-20 years we've been connected, and we're very successful. We have over 90% of our rolling 5-year fleet in Europe being connected. So that's one area, and that's the most mature of the technology areas. The next one being autonomous, having autonomous vehicles driving around, and the third one being electrification, moving into renewable energy solutions. And looking at them independently, it doesn't make that much difference. But when they are combined, they can interact in a totally new way that will most likely disrupt the transport system. But the future will tell.
And what about Scania One? What is Scania One?
Scania One is a digital marketplace. It's a digital entry point into Scania, where our customers can buy any type of service and administrate their way. So it's basically Scania catching up with the normal way of 2017 way of consuming services. So it's a digital entry place and making connectivity available to our customers in a more digital way.
Could you give some examples of new services that are available in Scania One?
When we launch it, it's a limited set of services, but it's very much focused on the vehicle at the moment. But there's connected services, the fleet management services, the trailer, the tachograph, and so on. And then a lot of focus on the driver in the first set. Then it will evolve over the future.
And looking ahead, what will be the advantages for owners and drivers using Scania One?
It will be a single way of looking at your engagement with Scania, your financing, your repair and maintenance contracts, your connected vehicles, and so on. It's a way for us to help our customers to digitalize their business. A lot of our big customers, they have their own IT departments and they have their own digital programs, how to digitalize their operations. But we want to help our customers, all of our customers, to digitalize their operations.
And finally, there is a big potential here, I suppose. How do you develop and prioritize all those new services and ideas?
Yeah, there's a lot of ideas. There's a lot of stuff we can do. And as with Scania, we work with processes, and we have the service roadmap process and the governance structure with that. So we try to prioritize cross-functionally across Scania, working with various parts of Scania, and try to do what's most interesting, what has the best business case at the moment, etc. So it's a continuous progress. A roadmap is always evolving.
Håkan Schildt, thank you so much for joining us today, and good luck with the rollout of Scania One.
Thank you very much.
And thank you for watching Scania Studio.